Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this simple video, I'm gonna show you how you can get the 4K quality using CapCut apps. So first, you can open the CapCut PC apps and import your video that you want to edit and just drag to the tray. Just editing the video, and after you finish editing the video, you are just going to click the export button at the top right corner. Just click on it and you will see the resolution option. Just click on it and make sure select the 4K. So make sure select the 4K for the resolution. Alright, so to export your video and just see for the final result the 4K that you apply to your video. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to the channel if you haven't done that already. So thank you so much for watching.